what's going on guys, Pog here and welcome to today's video. In this video I'm going to go ahead and show you guys 5 things that I like about my 2018 Mercedes-Benz C300, which is right there. So let's get started. So as you guys can see that the car is pretty dirty because it is raining right now, but I thought I'll just do a video that's a lot different than my other videos. So just doing one in the rain. It's actually very nice out here. Anyways, so the first thing that I really do like about this car, you guys, is the keyless entry. And I do know that keyless entry is pretty common feature, but what's so awesome about this car is that you have one of course on the driver's side door. And then if we go ahead and touch here to lock it, you can see the mirror folding in. And I come to this rear door. So we do have a sensor here on the behind the handle. We also have a sensor over here. So if I just tap on it, you can see the vehicle locking. And then the same story is with the trunk. So if I come back over here and I just push the button, which is right there, I can go ahead and access the trunk. Alright guys, so the second thing that I really do love about this car is that it has power folding mirrors. The reason I really love that this mirrors fold in, so once I lock the door, you can see the mirrors folding in. So let's say I just went to Costco and then I left the car in the parking lot and I don't remember if I locked the doors. I can just turn around to the car and look and see if the mirrors are folded in, because if they are, that means I locked it. And you can see once I do get near the car with the key and then I touch the handle, the power folding mirror does unfold. We do also have an option in case on tight parking spots, you do have the option to fold them in automatically from the inside. So that'll fold both the side mirrors. Very awesome. So the third thing that I really love about this car is that if I get close to the car with the key in my pocket, I can basically get near it, put my foot down there in the middle, and it'll go ahead and open the trunk. And at first I thought this isn't a useful feature, but once I just start using this, it's very hard not to have it. Because let's say I came back, which happens a lot with you know, bags of groceries, and then I don't want to put them down anywhere, you know. And if imagine in a day like this, I don't want to put anything on the ground, so I can basically come holding the bags with my hands, and I can just come put my foot on the back of the trunk, underneath the trunk, and it'll open it. And the same way I can just close it if I want. I just basically put my foot there, I'll go ahead and close it. Alright guys, so the fourth thing that I really like about this car is, let's go ahead and say that I'm gonna go ahead and put the car on drive, just like that, and we're just driving normally, okay? And basically, let's say we just had a red light and we came to a stop, so just a normal stop, just like that. So I have my foot on a brake, as normally we all do. But if I go ahead and push the pedal in like that, you can see on the instrument cluster here that it says hold. So right now, I'm not pressing the brake pedal, but the car isn't moving. So it puts the car in hold. So let's say we have a green light. Once I go ahead and push the gas pedal, the car will just start moving just like normally. And the last thing I want to go ahead and show you guys that I really like about this car, it's the exterior and interior design. So basically this one here does have the AMG night package. So you can see all the chrome is basically turned into this black. So in this window trims we have black instead of chrome. So I really like how it looks with the AMG package. So here's the rear, just like so. So yeah, I really like the exterior of this car. And once we open the door and we take a look at the interior, so you can see over here we've got the optional black ash wood trim. I really like how we get the heated seats. All this stuff is nicely designed and visible, so you can easily control the seat without a problem. So it's very easy to know what you're controlling. All auto windows, everything here is soft touch. Very good. Same goes for the passenger door right there. Again, it feels very comfortable and premium in here. And once we get to the back, you can see into the door, the black ash wood trim still comes to the back here. Soft touch over here as well. Very nice. And then in here, we also get some storage for the rear and then the cup holders there. So yeah, guys, overall, even for the rear, the interior design of this car is very nice. Alright guys, so this was the video for the 5 things that I really like about my 2018 Mercedes-Benz C300 4MATIC sedan. There's a lot more features that I really love, but these were like some features that my previous cars didn't have, and I really want to go ahead and show you guys those features. Maybe if you have a C300 and you don't know those features, but here they are on this car. So I really hope this video was helpful. If you guys are new, consider subscribing, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.